Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen, this is Beautiful Mess, and today's video is a power hour. I am actually decluttering and cleaning up, reorganizing this closet in 1 hour. I am tackling it. This is actually a collaboration with a few other women here on YouTube. They are just an amazing group of women. They're so supportive and they have some pretty amazing channels themselves. So when you are finished watching this video, if you want to check out the playlist, it'll be in the description box below, and you can check out their power hour and get ready to get some serious cleaning and decluttering motivation today. If you're coming over from one of the other ladies' channels, I just want to say welcome. My name is Gretchen, and I do cleaning videos, organization, and motherhood lifestyle videos. So if you like that kind of content, definitely consider subscribing because I would love to have you become a part of this amazing YouTube community. So you can see I already took everything out of the closet just to get a good start, a fresh, clean start. And I went ahead and wiped down the wire shelving and just got rid of all the dust and all the grime that had built up in there. Let me know in the comments down below if there's an area in your house that you have been dreading to declutter. You know you have to get it done. You really would like to see it decluttered, but you have just been dreading it. I would love to know what that is because this was what I was dreading, and I'm thankful that I did it, and I know that you can do it too. And there's my trash bag. Guys, I fill this trash bag up by the end of this. It's really just ridiculous how much trash we had in there and how much stuff we had that was expired or that we didn't use. It's amazing the things that we accumulate in our closets. This box here that you see me putting stuff into, I actually found this box brand new in my guest room closet, and it was something that I had purchased a long time ago, and I ended up not using it for whatever reason, and I had forgotten about it. But when I started shopping around the house and looking for baskets or things that I could use, these ended up just working out perfectly. I used one to keep all of my facial masks and bath bombs and all of the things that I would use in like a DIY home spa night, and then the other one held like diffuser stuff and things like that. So I'm really glad that I found that and I was able to make it work for the closet. Alright guys, so I did it. I got this closet decluttered, completely organized, and I did it with 5 minutes to spare. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I thought it was going to take me a lot longer than it actually did. And just take a look at how much I decluttered. This is kind of like, this is a little bit embarrassing, but you know what? I hope that it gives you the motivation that you need to declutter your space today. This is what it's about. I want to motivate you to get stuff decluttered in your house. So, yes, this is everything I decluttered from this closet right here. I'm going to show you guys in a minute my finished result. That's really embarrassing. That's That's like a year of putting it off, a year of having this closet messy, and it was driving me crazy. So when the girls got together over on Instagram and said they wanted to do a collab and do a power hour decluttering, I was like, you know what, I knew exactly what I was going to try to tackle, but I really thought I was not going to get it done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that I got done, show you the closet. I did not buy new organizers or anything like that. I really wanted to for this closet, but right now it was just about decluttering and organizing it and getting this done, and just, I feel so much better now that it is completely decluttered and organized. Alright guys, so the top is where normally we have our towels. Right now I don't have anything there. Everything is going to be washed. Then this shelf right here, you can see I've got some extra shampoo and conditioner bottles. I've got my husband's extra deodorant in here, and then I've got extra travel size items. And sometimes if we're gonna have guests over, I like to use some of these items for our guests. So these are the new ones that have not been used. The ones that we have used already, I'll show you guys. The ones that we've used already on trips, or like the little empty container bottles, like these facial wipes, I usually just use them when we're out, when we're traveling. So these things have already been opened, but there's still enough there that we could use it for another trip. So, or I can fill something up in this little container here. And then this little basket, I had this basket in the pantry, and what I did here was I just put our kids' thermometer, and then some of my son's breathing treatments and things for when he is sick, the saline spray, things like that. I just put it there so that we can quickly get to it. And also this stuff did not fit in any of the baskets, so I tried to improvise a little bit, and this is what I came up with. And you know what, it's actually really convenient if anybody has a fever in the middle of the night, or he needs a breathing treatment, because when he's sick he usually uses the nebulizer machine. Then I can just come over here and grab this stuff, or tell my husband where it is or what basket it's in, and it's just really convenient. So that is that. And I realize, yes, that all the baskets don't match and they're not beautiful, but you know what, it is realistic, and I used what I had. So these were the 2 shoe storage containers, kind of like boxes that I had, and I used this one to store all of my bath bombs and sugar scrubs. I have, you can probably see, I have some more scrubs here and facial masks that I have. I have my Lizzie's Fizzies bath bombs that I have left. I have a few of them left. So I'm saving these for, I can't wait to use these. So I have 3 of Lizzie's Fizzies left. I have some lavender soap bar, some brand new things that I have there. And then these bath bombs I had from a while back, and I just wanted to keep them. I didn't want them, they're not the best bath bombs. My husband already knows that, he got them for me, but I just kept them there. So anyways, then now it is a little bit difficult to get that. Then in the bottom I went ahead and I put a few essential oils that I had and some tea light candles. So these are things that aren't used that often, because as often as I would love to have my spa mom self-care routine, it doesn't happen as often I'd like. So then I've just got some nail care stuff in here. I don't really use much nail polish, so I've just got lotion and nail stuff in there, and that's that basket. This one holds the chargers for my husband's electric razor and his little cases and things like that, so that's my husband's. And then we have just some feminine products in there that I put. And then these boxes I use strictly for medicine, so I don't have them labeled just because I don't have a label maker. If I did, I'd probably label them accordingly, but it's pretty simple because you can see through them, so you kind of know. So this one just holds Band-Aids and things like that, and then some of my son's extra breathing treatments. I didn't have a place that I could put it, so I put it in there. This top one is all of the adult medication, so if my husband needs to come in to look for something, he knows that's the bin that he's going to go into. And then this one is for the kids, so this one holds all of the kids medications and things. So this is just strictly the kids stuff. So if I ask my husband to go get some medicine for the kids, he knows where to come find it. So that's there. And these are very simple to just pull out and get what we need. And then this bottom one just has like all the skin stuff, calamine lotions, deep blue for when we're sore. I do have some Bengay in there, things like that. So that is just those kinds of products. And then again, I have to clean and wash all of our rags, but those are just like body rags will usually just be in there, or wash rags. And then these products are products that usually we don't use a lot. I keep baby powder for when we go to the beach. Baby oil we always keep there. And then hydrogen peroxide rubbing alcohol and things like just like foot powder, things like that we would not normally use, but I didn't want to throw these out because they're good products that I'm sure if we need them, they're there, we have them. And then in this one, I keep our cotton balls, bags, and then the Q-tips are all in here. And then I've got this box of denture cleaner. The reason I have this is because my husband has this mouth guard Snorex, and he has not been using it, but I use it to clean the Snorex when he uses it. He hasn't used it in a while, and I kind of wish he would. And then I have these little travel things of wet ones. So these are extras I like to keep there. And then over here I just have this little case that I used to store the Band-Aids in, but I think I'm going to probably just put a few essentials in here and keep this in the car. And then this is our travel bag. So that's what I have down here. And then in this down here I've got my son's nebulizer machine. It's in there, so he's got his machine if he needs a breathing treatment. And then I've just got some extra hair things that I don't use often. I've got there. So I've just got those there. If I had a basket, I'd probably put them in a basket, but I don't have an extra basket right now. And then here I just have my little cleaning caddy that I cleaned up, and I have some cleaning essentials for the bathroom in case I want to give the bathroom a quick cleanup.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Also, remember to check out the playlist with all of the other women and their Power Hour videos on there. I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. So go ahead and check them out. And if you're going over to their channel, let them know that I sent you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.